Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we are at our animated videos tool and we're going to be seeing how to group layers. So first, once you have your layers over here, I just have this little face with all these four elements over here with the mouth, the eyes, hair, and face. And if I wanted to group them together, for example like this, if I wanted to just build them like so, like that, they would not move as one if I wanted to move like the entire face. So I would have to group them. And to group them, you just need to go to the layers, hold Command. On Mac is Command. On different computers it would be like Shift, for example. You're just going to click on them, and this option is going to show up right here, the group option. Once you click on group, the group layer is going to appear right here, and your face will be all connected together. So once you move it around, everything will move as one. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.